So, welcome everybody. I am getting ready to, we're in the snow! We are in the snow! And it's snowing! Oh my God! It is snowing. Why don't we do this? Why don't we go get some views from up above. Let's go get some views.
Take off.
Oh, come on. Focus. No. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. View. Look at that view. Look at that view. View. Mira eso. Mira esto. Look at this. It's snowing in Oregon. Oh yes. I don't. This is crazy. This is crazy beautiful. Uh-oh. Oh no. I lost my drone. Oh no.
Go home.
Ah! Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I thought I lost my drone for a minute. Look at that. Look at that beautiful sight. I went too far away, like 3 miles, and the wind, the snow is so dense that we lost communication. It's coming back. I can hear it. Cancel. My God. Look at that. It is 29 degrees. It's too cold.
Go home.
It is way too cold. It is way too cold, and the drone does not like this cold weather. It is way too cold, and the drone doesn't seem to like this weather. But I think we've had enough snow. We're gonna try this again.
Take off.
So earlier I got disconnected. I don't think the drone really likes. Get some beautiful views of the trees down there. Move the camera down. Don't mess with me with it. I'm gonna find the drone.
Understandable. I'm gonna hit the car.
Ooh. Bring her back. Look at those beautiful trees. I think I am Go right there. That's what I want to get right there. Let's do this. Wow. Wow. Look at that. That is absolute. I can't believe it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is so insanely beautiful. Snowing in Oregon. Flying the Mavic in the snow. Look at this. Look at this. I better bring it back. I'm really far away.
Go home.
Yes, turn around and come home. Which way is home? That way is home. Perfect. Perfect. Go right there. That's what I want to get right there. Let's do this. Wow. Wow. Look at that. That is absolute. I can't believe it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is so insanely beautiful. Snowing in Oregon. Flying the Mavic in the snow. Look at this. Look at this. I better bring it back. I'm really far away.
Go home.
Yes, turn around and come home. Which way is home? That way is home. Perfect. Perfect. Stop the beeping. Oh my God, this is such a beautiful view. It's completely snowing. It is freezing cold, like 29 degrees or 23 degrees. I have no idea. But look at this. Look at this. How can you beat this? How? How is that possible? This is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. It's like a dream come true. It is a dream come true. You really don't know what I'm talking. So here we are. This is it. That is flying in the snow. Crazy, crazy flying in the snow. Yes, obstacle avoidance. So that was it. This is. And right now, it is snowing. It is freaking cold. And put it away because I can't stand my hands anymore. Thank you. I fell down. I fell down. Why did you? You did that on purpose. Oh, you little brat. Oh, wait, what happened to them? Did you see that?
Yes, you
What the? Compact it. You can't compact it.
can.
Oh my God. What are you doing?
Like this.
That's not even fair. Get it. You're gonna get it now. You're gonna get it. Oh, that hurts my hands. That is so cold.
Like a personal
No,
problem.
no. Oh, that was a rock. That was a rock of ice. What's wrong with you? Okay, but I need to get my gloves on.
That's why I told you to stand on it whenever you were putting the drone.
You did that on purpose. You're sneaky.
I have my ways. Bye bye drone.
Okay, I got my gloves now.
Here. I got you. No.
I got you.
Oh, really?
No, 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 don't. I can't
No,
run.
what? You can't run.
I can't run.
Try
I'm
standing
gonna go over there. No.
Try standing over
No.
there.
Don't you? Don't you dare, Ileana. Ileana, don't. Don't.
It's okay, I'll break up a small piece.
Don't.
I'll do it. Oh. You don't have strong ones, you're weak. You just try to catch
Take that.
me, though. Try that one over there.
Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh no, you're too far. You're too far to the edge. I don't want you to fall over.
I know.
Come on.
Oh, you're putting your guard up? What's that gonna do, Dad?
Come on. I'm gonna punch it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, do it. Ow.
Why do you even think of that?
I don't know. Ow. Ow. The cars struggle. Look at this, guys. These cars over there, they struggle. They slip. They didn't bring chains.